Hello friends, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how you can just add a switch option in Easify Product Options to add some simple yes or no choices like gift wrap or some express delivery, maybe some custom services to your Shopify product page. So without delay, let's get started. Before going to the video, please make sure that you are subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. So I'm using Easify Custom Product Options for this. So I have downloaded this from Shopify App Store. You can simply search for Easify Custom Product Options in the search bar, and then the result will show the app details like this. On clicking there, you can see their installation page like this. This is containing some overviews and some key points of this particular app, and their pricing details are also available here. Thankfully, they provide some free plans. So let's explore more on free plans. And if this find helpful, let's upgrade to their paid plans also. And there are some genuine reviews from different merchants also available here. You can just go through this. So if everything is fine, you can just click on install button. Before that, make sure that you are logged into your Shopify admin panel. So once you install, the app will shows the like this in this dashboard. So in the left hand side of your Shopify admin panel, there is some app section. So this app section will show the Easify Options app with their dashboards like this. So let's move on to the option sets and click on create option set first. There are some uh, options or custom options available here. You can see there are a number of options available here. Let's move on to switch option. And these disabled ones are the ones which we need to be or which need we can use only when we are in an upgrade plan. So go to the switch option. So we have to give some option name first. So let's give a gift wrap. Yeah. And switch label. Let's give you yes wrap this as a gift. And help text, let's go with the beautiful premium packaging for gifting. And option label, let's give a add gift wrap. And default value, let's go with some no. And info, let's go with price will be calculator at the checkbox. So the switch shape you can also just have, or you can just customize like this. Let's go with a round shape for now. And you can see the preview like this here. And in case of product section, either you can just set this for all the products, or you can also manually select the products, or you can just select the products with some conditions. So there are multiple conditions drawing up here, and you can just add the condition. Once the condition is met at the checkout, then this switch will be available at the uh, product page. So let's go with all the products for now. And there are some more settings over here with the customer restrictions. So we have to be in a paid plan for this to use. So we are currently on all customers option. And there are some advanced settings also. We have to be in a upgrade plan for this to be used. So the setup is done. Let's save this. Let's see in our store how this looks like. Since we have added this for all the products, any product will show this like this. Yeah, you can see the switch option has been showing here. So the info button shows the tooltip like the price will be calculated at the checkout, and the option label is showing here, and you can see the uh, switch label, and also the help text is showing here. So that's how you can create an option set of switch in your Shopify product page using Easify custom option app. So while you're waiting for, just try this out in your online store too. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.